How to see which apps have update available on your iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can see which apps need to be updated and which are outdated on your iPhone. So as you can see, I have a bunch of various apps on my iPhone. Now, I really don't know which app needs to be updated or which app has an update available. So there are basically two ways on how you can see which app needs to be updated. So the first method is the basic method, that is by simply going to search, and then let's say I want to check whether my Spotify app has an update available or not. So once you tap on the option Spotify, you can see that instead of open it is saying update, meaning there is an update which needs to be done on the Spotify app. Now, it is not possible for you to simply type in each and every app on your iPhone to check whether they have an update or not. So there is a different way on how you can do that, and by doing that method you will be able to update all of the apps that need to be updated on your iPhone at once. So that is by simply going to your app store. After that, let's simply cancel this. Now tap on your profile, which is right over here, and then if you scroll down you can see that these are all of the apps that need to be updated on my iPhone. So as you can see, this is the list where you will be able to update all of the apps. So as you can see, I have my Spotify app now. Instead of open, it is showing update in all of these apps, meaning these apps need to be updated. So if you want, you can simply update apps from here by simply tapping the option update, but if you want to update all of them at once, simply tap on the option update all. So that is basically how you find and update all of the apps that need to be updated on your iPhone. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.